Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we will be talking about the craziest stories about how celebrities have been banned from public places. Celebrities don't always get what they want, and they most certainly aren't welcome everywhere they go, despite their notoriety and wads of cash. From restaurants to hotels to entire countries, celebrities have crossed some lines that some view as too far. Everyone loves a good celebrity temper tantrum, but not every celebrity tantrum is good for business. From Azealia Banks' recent Twitter tirade to Charlie Sheen's Tiger Blood meltdown, it's easy to understand why establishments would have no qualms about banning certain celebrity from ever stepping foot inside the building. Some celebrities have even been kicked out of entire countries due to their disastrous criminal records or even some minor social faux pas. For example, just look at Selena Gomez. The girl takes a picture with the wrong person and suddenly she's banned from entering China. Just like regular 2 a.m. wasted clubgoers, celebrities can get kicked out of a bar for acting unruly. The only difference is that TMZ is instantaneously there to report on the matter. Some controversial, some wildly confusing, and some just downright odd. We've gathered some of the most noteworthy celebrity banishments in all of Hollywood. No publicity is bad publicity, but some bad publicity can definitely get these celebrities kicked out of some swanky places or banned from traveling to their favorite foreign getaway. Here are 22 celebrities that were banned from places that had had enough. Number 1. Charlie Sheen. Tiger Blood-infused, goat's milk treatment advocate Charlie Sheen was ejected from New York City's Plaza Hotel after he trashed his suite. Naked and on more drugs than you can imagine, Sheen tore the place to shreds while his porn star friend hid in the bathroom. Police were called to handle the situation and Sheen was asked never to stay at the hotel again. Number 2. Ariana Grande. Likely on a stop somewhere on a TMZ tour bus, Ariana Grande has been banned from returning to Wolfie Donuts in Lake Elsinore, California. Dubbed Donagate, the pop star was caught on camera licking the donuts on display and uttering "I hate America." America quickly hated Grande back after the footage was released to the media. Wolfie Donuts issued a statement saying that they would be pressing charges against the singer. Number 3. Lindsay Lohan. Lohan has famously been barred from the Chateau Marmont in West Hollywood for an exorbitant amount of unpaid bills. Lilo claims she has settled the dispute, but she previously owed $46,350.04 to the hotel. Whether or not Lohan paying back the charges lifted the ban is unknown, but the socialite actress has intended to party around there in recent years. Number 4. Azealia Banks. Azealia Banks was banned from Twitter following a cyber rant that included an endless list of racial and homophobic slurs. Nothing new for Banks. The Twitter troll and underperforming rapper has been known to dish out incomprehensible hate at anyone and anything willing to challenge her in the internet realm. Her most recent tirade found her locked out of Twitter after she personally targeted former One Direction member Zayn Malik and 14-year-old Disney Channel star Sky Jackson. The new low has only resulted in Banks' outrage being transferred to Instagram. Banks is now being investigated by UK officials, a move that could potentially result in her being banned from performing in the country. She has already been taken off the lineup for the London Born and Bred Festival. Number 5. Madonna. During a screening of 12 Years a Slave, Madonna decided she'd break the most simple rule of movie theater etiquette and text up a storm throughout the viewing. When fellow moviegoers told Madge to cut it out, she reportedly lashed out. Number 6. Stuart Rahr. Billionaire entrepreneur and designated douchebag Stuart Rahr was banned from Nabu, a popular New York restaurant, after he berated a manager and attempted to pay off diners to their table. Rahr became visibly aggravated when he couldn't get a table at the pricey and busy restaurant. After the fireworks, Rahr was informed he was banned from the establishment. He proceeded to write an angry, all-caps email verbally assaulting the manager. The email included carbon copies to famous celebrities such as Leonardo DiCaprio and Donald Trump for reasons we will likely never uncover. Number 7. Chris Brown. Set to perform a series of concerts throughout Australia, Chris Brown was denied entry into the country shortly before he was supposed to depart. Australian immigrant officials rejected Brown's visa due to his history of domestic violence, mostly in reference to his assault on then-girlfriend Rihanna. While there are plenty of reasons to ban Brown from any country, Australia decided to force Brown into canceling his string of tour stops there as well as in New Zealand. Number 8. Kathy Griffin. Kathy Griffin is racking up a long list of talk shows that refuse to have her as a guest spot. Inappropriate cussing, crude comments towards hosts, and unexpected stripping are a few of the reasons Griffin is no longer welcome on a growing list of talk shows. So far, Griffin has been banned from appearing on The View, The Ellen DeGeneres Show, Today, The Tonight Show with Jay Leno, and The Late Show with David Letterman, all due to her outlandish behavior. Griffin consistently butts heads with industry power players for her outspoken attitude. Number 9. John Travolta. Known Scientologist and rumored closet case, John Travolta was scandalously banned from a luxurious New York spa after worker complaints. Apparently, male staffers reported to management that Travolta had made lewd comments and advances towards them during private massages. Allegedly, Travolta's bizarre, sexual antics caused the male masseuses he requested to refuse to take him as a client. The spa ultimately banned Travolta from the premises for 3 years. Travolta and his wife adamantly deny these accusations, asserting he was never banned from the spa, despite never going back. Number 10. Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus was most recently banned from the Dominican Republic after they deemed her overtly sexual Bangers World Tour performance as inappropriate. Although that comes as no surprise, Cyrus was also banned from China in 2009 after she shared a photograph of her and her friends mocking the Asian community. In the picture, Cyrus and her friends are pulling back their eyes to make them appear slanted. Despite Miley's apology and assertions that she was just making a goofy face, China had no interest in further polluting their children's minds with her American ignorance. Number 11. Paris Hilton. Socialite and recreational cocaine user Paris Hilton found herself in hot waters at the Wynn Hotel in Las Vegas as well. The heiress was caught with some white powder in her purse after being pulled over at the hotel. The Wynn banned Hilton from returning following the drug charges. Hilton has also been banned from entering Japan as a result of the Wynn Hotel incident. After flying all the way to Tokyo for a press tour, Hilton was denied entry by immigration officers for her criminal record. The personality was forced to turn her private jet around and go home. Number 12. Hugh Grant. Jon Stewart famously ripped Hugh Grant a new one while on a live tour with Stephen Colbert. When asked about the incident with Grant, Stewart said that he was the worst guest he's ever hosted on The Daily Show and that he would never be invited back. Aside from acting rude and claiming he had better places to be, Grant supposedly also complained about a clip the show used for the movie he was promoting. Stewart informed the audience that the clip was provided by Grant's publicist and concluded by adding, "Well, then make a better freaking movie if Grant hated it that much." Number 13. Amy Winehouse. Late singer Amy Winehouse struggled with the bottle all her life. Winehouse had many run-ins due to her unruly behavior, which resulted in one hotel banning her from drinking at their establishment. While on vacation in the Caribbean, Winehouse alienated guests at a hotel pool for her crude and drunken behavior. Winehouse was asked to stop drinking or leave the premises. The singer chose the latter and left for her villa next door. Number 14. Ozzy Osbourne. The oddball frontman of Black Sabbath was banned from the entire San Antonio, Texas county after he was arrested for urinating on a relic. After drunkenly pissing on the Alamo Cenotaph, a monument dedicated to the Alamo, Osbourne was picked up by police. The city barred Osbourne from performing in San Antonio ever again, but the ban was ultimately lifted after he donated $10,000 to a charity that maintains the property. He ultimately revisited San Antonio, and tensions were eased. Number 15. Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne was banned from the Wynn Hotel in Las Vegas before he even arrived. Hot off his sentence for possession of a weapon, Wayne was in town for a scheduled performance. The hotel decided to preemptively bar Wayne from staying there in order to avoid trouble. Lil Wayne later found himself banned from any and all NBA events. At least that's what he told his fans. Wayne took to Twitter to trash talk the NBA for disinviting him to all of their scheduled games and events. He claimed the decision was a result of a request from the Miami Heat, although representatives have claimed that his statements are inaccurate. That's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, be sure to give it a like and drop a sub for the channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.